Okay guys, so welcome to another vlog. That's right, it's another vlog today. It's the 10th of March, a Saturday. While I'm talking in this camera, I'm gonna put on my shoes. So don't blame me if I don't look at you guys. Today is a special day. The reason why I'm vlogging, okay, one, we're going to this place called NUS, National University of Singapore, for some open house thing. So basically it's the NUS open house day. So I'm supposed to go there because I'm going to find out whether that place is suitable to further my studies or not. And the second reason why today is a good day to vlog is because it's my friend's A's birthday. No, yesterday was his birthday, but we're gonna celebrate it for him today. Excellent weather. Seriously. This is the queue right here to freaking go to NUS for the shuttle bus. Look, it goes all the way from here down and all the way there. Oh, this is messed up, man. Do you guys see the freaking queue just now? It was RIDICULOUS. Freaking ridiculous. Man, we have to wait like 30 minutes for it. I asked the guy just now. For some reason, that bus doesn't go to NUS, so we didn't get on it. It's bad, man. I have a talk to attend at 2, but now it's like 1:30-ish. Finally, we got on the bus here. After like waiting for like 15 or 20 minutes. It's ridiculous. And the bus is packed. But by right, we should be able to reach there, I think, like 5 or 10 minutes. Oh guys, I finally got out of that cancerous bus, man. That bus packed full of people, finally out of it. So now I'm moving down to this place called University Town. I'm gonna meet Owen and another guy there. Hopefully I make it in time. The weather looks bad. I'll come back here to do a time lapse again. This place is a good place to do a time lapse. Look at all the cars moving here. I just found Owen and look at how crowded this place is. It wasn't crowded last year, man, and last year. Look at all the people. Oh man. I was supposed to go for this stop at 2, but now it's like 2:03. I don't know whether I can make it or not, but I'm gonna try to make it. Hopefully I don't miss out much. Screwed up, man. Finally out of that goddamn bloody crowd, man. Finally! So we went all the way here and we walked here and we realized this thing. The venue is full. That means we can't get to the top and there will be no top for us. It's quite a freaking disappointment, but we just gotta deal with it because life is full of disappointments. One thing I realized about the open house up until now, right? The main flaw is they didn't seem to prepare for the amount of crowd that is coming to NUS for this day. And if they didn't prepare for it, why have it only one single day? They should have it like 2 days, right? You get what I mean?
That's right.
I mean, if you guys, are unprepared for the whole crowd and how like the venues will be full and the queues will be full, like the transportation limitations and all the transportation queues and whatever, it's a clear sign that you guys didn't prepare for the crowd that is about to be here on one single day, and that is 10th of March. I know you guys prepared very hard for this thing, but this is just my personal opinion, so you can just you know, take it as a pinch of salt. I would say one great thing about this open house is they are full of free stuff. That's the only great thing that is good. One thing Owen and me notice is when we are walking around, a lot of kids down here. And today is a Saturday, like this is 10th of March and it's a Saturday. A lot of kids down here, a lot of students down here, they're actually studying and they're working really hard. I think it's a good thing, but at the same time it's kind of scary because it's a Saturday and they're supposed to be resting.
And it's a day to spend time with your family, friends, loved ones, girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever. Just chill out a little bit before Sunday and Monday comes.
Oh man, it must be pretty stressful for them. Okay, so because we missed out on most of the talks, the only thing that we can do right now is just to explore around, you know, walk around the place, let you guys see how interesting or toxic this place is, depending on how you want to see it. So stay tuned. So because it's such a hot day and we are getting thirsty, we decided to queue up at this place. But the queue is pretty long, as you can see. So it just shows that NUS open house is a very good open house. Man, Owen, we should have bought at the same time, man. See, you're 154 and I'm 157, and right now the queue is 151. You know, Owen was 154 and I was 157. But the strange thing is I got my drink first, which I really don't understand. A lot of mysteries going on here in NUS. Okay, so I gotta show you guys this also. This is the tripod that I use for all my time lapses. But you see, this area is completely gone. There's supposed to be something that, like, it's a stand here for the phone to be supported. Now I just can't fit my phone here because this whole thing is chipped off. No time lapse from me because the tripod is spoiled and it's gone. I'm sorry guys. My man, look at that. My man Marcus. How long has it been, bro? How long has it been? My man Marcus, I miss you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Okay, so right now the next objective is we are probably gonna go this place where we can get this bag. Hey Marcus, can you slow down a bit? Okay. Show them this bag. We're gonna get this bag, this free bag, awesome bag. After we get that, we are gonna get out of here because the crowd is just staggering. Hey, shout out to these guys here, man. They got 300 plus. Awesome people. I tried to get a bag like Marcus's bag, but apparently they were out of stock, which is very disappointing. Look at that bag. That one here. Yeah. So it's out of stock. Very disappointing. But this thing cheered me up. If you guys are coming to NUS and you are thinking about which spot will be a good place to take a photo, this spot, man, is a great place to take a photo. My man Marcus, I'm so glad to have seen you again, man. To meet you again. Bye, Marcus.
Bye.
Bye. My man. Okay, so I almost forgot to tell you guys where we are going right now. We are gonna meet Ace. It's his birthday yesterday, and we're gonna celebrate it for him. So apparently he told us to meet at a church or something. By the way, this is the place where there was this long ass queue just now. That's the exact place that there was a long ass queue. Ridiculous, man, absolutely ridiculous. And now there's no one around. Hey man, what's up guys? So sorry for the abrupt interruption because I'm just gonna end the video right here, right now. The reason why I'm doing it is because there's gonna be a part 2 for this, and there will be a long debate about certain things, certain issues. There'll be a lot of things going on, so I wanted to split the video into 2 because the following part is like a totally new story on its own, if you get what I mean. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to thumbs up and click the red button. See you guys in part 2, which is going to come out real soon. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys, and this is Lot of Thought. Ayo, hey, you're in the vlog, bro. You're in the vlog.
Yeah.
I'm so glad to have seen you again, man. To meet you again. I'll see you in the future. Come again. It was wrong.